When you put your hands here, like we do in bubble hands, is it the same position as our caterpillar song? No. What's that position? That's middle C position when we're playing our caterpillar song, right? But in our bubble hand song and lots of songs, our pinky's on C. This is called C position. Say that. C position. Now move your hand to middle C position. And move it back to C position. Let's see how fast we can do it. Ready? Middle C position. C position. Middle C position. C position. Now, did you notice that your right hand never moves? It doesn't ever move, right? So when we play middle C position, our left hand moves up. And C position, our left hand moves down. All right, now go back to middle C position. And we're ready for our caterpillar song. Let's turn to page 8. Turn to page 8. Turn to page 8. There it is. Now we are ready. So float those butterflies into C position. Since we are getting so much better at this song, we're going to play it a little bit faster. Just make sure your butterfly wings don't fly away, that they stay touching the keys the whole time. All right, let's start with our 5s. Here we go. Now, once I saw a caterpillar. Sing the finger numbers now. 5s, 4s, 3s, 2s, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. I said, what's the matter? Pillar, where's your tree? Wow! Are you getting better and better at that? If you want to play it again, go ahead and rewind it, or you can pause and take it at your own speed.